is on fire. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. What you wanna do? Tell me what you like. Y'all know just who I am. Take a man and give him back like damn. Got a big tax like Sam. Every time I throw it back, he like damn. Slow it down, get crazy in the club. Get crazy in the club. Slow it down, get crazy in the club.
Hey, it's me kicking off my 5th Gouri treatment on July 21st at 10 a.m. Pacific in the Natural Kaos app. After GLP-1 peptides tanked my facial volume, I've been rebuilding naturally with Gouri, a PCL biostimulator. My skin's bouncing back, plumper, smoother. It's me again. I'm doing 3 treatments this fall and you can watch it live. Download the Natural Kaos app. Comment Gouri5 for the app link and the blog with all the details. Join me and let's rebuild together.
The sun is getting warmer, but when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border, but when we're floating up like helium. Flash, ring so big you can't even see my face. Ballin' on the court, make 'em chase. Buzzer beater, shot clock, first place. Got 'em running plays like they running in a race. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. I just wanna ball. No, I just wanna say hello and do whatever I like. It doesn't matter if they say so, 'cause I can put up a fight.
I don't know if this is my favorite device for doing this with. I kind of actually prefer my M8S, but I thought we would play with it today. Oh, I jammed it up there too much. Sometimes I feel like this thing doesn't sit right. Can't push it down too far because it needs to have like some space. No, see, it's not. I don't recommend this one. Maybe the H3 is improved, but the H2, I don't know. We have the M8S with an 18-pin cartridge. Okay, make sure your pen is dialed to a 0, and then that's going to allow your cartridge to go in correctly and twist and lock in. We're going to dial it to a 1 because I actually think 1 is better for the scalp. And then we'll turn it on. And I like an 12 or 18 pin for the scalp. So like, watch, this is just better. You get more impact. I do wish that H2 was a better device, but I just think it's pretty problematic. These pens are more straightforward and stronger.
Your left femur bone to come to a single leg Tanasana. Bend left leg, come up and over. Up and over you go to stand, left knee to chest. All the way to the top of your mat. Figure 4, cross left ankle over right knee. Good, shift the hips back to your own degree. Hands to your heart, arm balance is right there. 5 breaths. Come back to your figure 4 if you've made a journey elsewhere. Left knee to chest, so drive it in, hands in front of the shoulders. Take a breath in, push, find a straightish leg forward, breath up. Good, rebend through the left leg for 1 high plank, vinyasa. Rinse it out. Find your way.
What's a Tox facial? Hey Glow Getters, it's me, back with another skincare secret that had my skin glowing at my dad's Kauai wedding. So today I'm spilling the tea on the Tox facial with Exosomes, my go-to for flawless, glass-like skin for a big event. This at-home microneedling treatment with Innotox and Exosomes tighten my pores and smooth my skin like magic. So here we go, let's get that red carpet glow. I'm sure that many of you are like, this is 2.5 mils of product. So my thought was, we'll just use this as our mixing vial. We have our 24, so we'll just shoot it back in there. And then we have our 2.5 mils of Aqua Exosomes. So I figured we'll just put them all together. They will fit. We'll just rotate it and mix it. It should be good in there. And then we'll just use that same needleless syringe just to like suck it up and use it as we microneedle around our face. I thought this could work. Yeah, we got a bunch in here now. Let's do this. So now we're gonna microneedle. I have my pen dialed. We are at a 0. And I'm going to turn it up to a 0.5 because we'll start at my forehead. And I'm at the fastest speed. I'll put on a glove on my left hand because I'll use my microneedling needle in my right hand. And then I'll use my gloved hand to just kind of constantly rub the product in as we're microneedling.
5 a.m. and we are in trouble, but we don't really care. Tell ourselves there's always tomorrow, but it will still be there.